Revise your concept on HCF and LCM and the relationship between HCF and LCM. So let's begin. First of all, you have to know what is the LCM. LCM is actually least common multiple. Least mean the very smallest, common mean that is common in two factors. And what is multiple? Multiple is basically a number that could be divided by the given number without leaving a remainder. For example, 20 is the multiple of 5 if we see that 5 4s are 20, or 20 divided by 5 you get 4, so it's a multiple of 20. Now you have to know what is the least common multiple. Least common multiple means that when you have two numbers, then the smallest non-zero common number, which is the multiple of both number, is known as LCM, or the least common multiple of the both numbers. So here, what's the LCM of 12 and 4? Basically, the multiples of 12 are 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, and so on. After that, the multiples of 4 are 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, so on. So now, here you can see that the common multiples are 12, 12, 24, 24, and 36, 36. So now what is the least common multiple of both the factors? This is the 12. So 12 is the LCM of for this. So here are different ways to find the least common multiple. The first one is prime factorization method, repeated division method, or using multiple. But here I will discuss a very easy method of finding LCM. We have to find the LCM of 18 and 24. Write 18 and 24 in this manner. After that, take any common multiple that is actually divisible by that factor. So 18 is divisible by 2 as well as 24 is divisible by 2. So now 9 twos are 18 and 12 twos are 24. After that, now take another number that is divisible by these two. So 3 threes are 9 and 4 threes are 12. Now 3 and 4, there are no further common multiple for these numbers. So that's why they simply multiply all these factors. So 2 cross 3 cross 3 cross 4, that is the 72. So LCM of 18 and 24 is 72. The question could be like this: find the lowest number which is exactly divisible by 18 and 24. Let's practice this question. Find the lowest number which is more by 6 to be divided by 25, 40, and 60. So first of all, we have to take the LCM of this. So just arrange in like this manner. After that, just simply divide at any common factor. 25 is not divisible by 2, so just keep it in the next row as it is. 22s are 40, 32s are 60, so these are actually divided by 2, so that's why you are dividing them. Next, 20 and 30 could be divided by 2 like this. 10 twos are 20, 15 twos are 30, and 25 will be as it is. So now 25, 10 and 15, 3 have the 5 common factor. 5 5s is 25, 5 2s are 10, and 5 3s are 15. Further, these are not have any kind of common factor, that's why we are going to multiply all these like this. So you have to multiply 2, cross 5, cross 5, cross 2, cross 3. So overall we will take the product and answer is 600. After that, we are given that to find the lowest number which is more by 6. So 600 is that lowest number, and you have to add plus 6 to get the required number. So 600 plus 6, you get 606. That is the answer. Next concept is highest common factor. The highest common factor defines the greatest common factor that is present in between both the given numbers, 2 or more than 2. So here we have different steps. Divide the number into its prime number. After that, multiply all the common factor once, then you get the HCF. So here the question is, find the HCF of 60 and 45. So first of all, you have to divide them into their prime factors like this. 60 prime factors are 5 cross 3 cross 3 cross 2, and the 45 prime factors are 5 cross 3 cross 3. Now next, what are their common factors? These 5 and 3, these are only common, so you have to multiply simply. 5 cross 3, this is equal to 15, that would be the HCF of 60 and 45. But if you have numbers more than 2 like this, 25, 35 and 45, so you have to first divide all these into their prime factors like this. 25 prime factors are 5 cross 5, 35 prime factors are 5 cross 7, and 45 prime factors are 5 cross 3 cross 3. Now take a look, what is the common factor in all these, and that would be the highest common factor. It's in 5. Now we have to discuss the relation between HCF and LCM. Formula for HCF and LCM is HCF cross LCM is equal to product of any two numbers. Or HCF cross LCM is equal to first number multiplied by second number. Let's look toward a question. The highest common factor and lowest common multiple of two numbers 825 and 25 respectively. If one of the two numbers is 275, find the other number. HCF LCM is equal to first number multiplied second number. So you are given the least common multiple as well as HCF. HCF is 825 and LCM is 25, and one number is given of 275. You have to find the second number like this. So here you have to find the n. That's why you are going to divide 275 on these like this. Now 275, 1s are 275 and 275, 3s are 825. So now 25, 3s are you get 75. That is the answer. So just check your concept.